Hello people, so this is the first video about this playlist, and since we are very polite people, we will start to introduce yourself in Portuguese, and let's begin. That's what was horrible. So I will keep rolling. Maybe this is fun for you. So okay, let's start. So the first thing to learn is good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And my name is ta 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 ta. And let's start. So good morning is bom dia, bom dia. Good afternoon is boa tarde, boa tarde. Good night is boa noite, boa noite. So, bom dia, boa tarde e boa noite. And the second part is my name is. So, we can say in two different ways. O meu nome é. O meu nome é. O meu nome é. Or eu chamo-me. Eu chamo-me. Eu chamo-me. Ta 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 ta. And we can join these two parts together. So, like, bom dia, eu chamo-me Michael. Or, boa noite, o meu nome é Michael. And so, we introduce yourself, and the people ask you a question like that. Como estás? Como estás? Como estás? That means how are you? How are you doing? And we can answer like I'm doing well. Eu estou bem. Eu estou bem. Eu estou bem. Or we can drop the pronoun I, eu, and just saying estou bem. So we can say eu estou mais ou menos. Eu estou mais ou menos. Eu estou mais ou menos. And if you are having a bad day, we can say estou mal, for instance. So this was the first video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will make more videos like that. So have a great day, and I hope you smile today. So see you.